Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Speak Smart. Today we are going to learn about from versus of. Okay, so here we go with the difference, the main difference between both of them. Like of word when we use when we are showing the ownership, and from word we are use when we are talking about the origin of something. Right, so here we are talking about the important feature or the important thing about the of or from. So here we can see about the main feature of and from. So here example, a picture of London. So this is a picture of London, right? The ownership is like a position we are showing ki this picture is belongs to London because it is a London. Here we are talking about the place of origin. Like this bridge is in London, right? A picture is from the London. So here we are talking about the origin of that like place. Okay. Now here another concept is made of or made from. Here we make very clear, like when we use made from, so when we use made from, like it something is going under the like underwent the chemical changes, lots of chemical changes. The wine is made from grapes. Here only the simple type of change is there, right? Now we are talking about the overlapping of both the word, like both the words are pretend to be same at the at some time. So when the product of France, product from France. So here you can see the production, the product, the result of production. Okay, so when we talk a product of France means like the feature is belongs to the like France, or the production is took place in France. The meaning is like that, right? When we talk about here, though it originated from, but the meaning is same, the production took place in France. So this time the both the words can get overlap. Now move on to the next screen. So this video will make you very much clear about this concept. Here are the few examples. Now here we go. So here we are talking about the position, the source, or the deprivation or equal sign. All four we are uses with of. So here we go with one by one. What is position? So position is like I said, when I said the baggage of passengers means it belongs to the passengers. The window of the house window, right? Source is when we talk about the like he died of pneumonia. His death came from pneumonia, right? The disease was the result of bad habits. Again, the disease was the result that came from the bad habits. So here we are talking about the source. Now deprivation is like we are like get rid of something, right? Like first word is rob word I am using with off word. So here the gang robbed Jason on his money. So here deprive word I am using, the gang deprived Jason of his money. So get rid of something. When we use a equal sign, so it is like we are talking about something that both, suppose I am comparing the two things and both the two things are showing the equal result. That is that time we are using this, like two towns have a distance of 27 kilometers. So here I am talking about two towns which is equal to the 27 kilometers. So that time we are using the equal sign to talk about this. Now next, like the color of black, the age of 99, the notion of freedom. Now here is the from, like I am talking about the point of origin, something is coming from something. So here when I said the painting from London is expensive, so this painting is from the London, the origin is London, and which is very expensive, right? So this is the point of origin. Separation when we are talking about, so here you can see X is separated from the Y, right? So how we understand this very nicely, something is separated from something, right? It is difficult to distinguish right from wrong in such a situation. Now to prevent something, that time also we need the separation word, like prevent piners from smoking. So here you can see the smokers are lots of smokers, but in that there are some minor community. So we are trying to separate that minor community. So when we are doing the separation, when we are talking the origin, that time we use the from word. Okay, I hope you understand better, or you can understand the difference between off and from. Keep on watching my channel, make sentences. Thank you for watching.